Good afternoon, my friends. You are on RTSR channel. In this video we are going to speak about YouTube. I'm going to tell you how to make video private in YouTube. It's easy and simple. Like and subscribe to my channel. Let's go. Open YouTube. Then tap on Profile Picture. Tap on View Channel. Find a video you need. Tap on three dots. Edit. Find visibility. Tap here. Select private. Next, tap on save. Good. Okay, you did it. It was easy and simple. Thanks for watching. If I made a mistake somewhere, please write in the comments. Like and subscribe to my channel. My dream is to get 100,000 subscribers. Do you think I can do it? Please write in the comments. Also check out my playlist on this topic. There you will find answers to many questions. Wish you best. Bye bye.